Imagine this for a moment. There is something very simple yet very powerful that almost all men ignore without even realizing it. And yet, when a man finally understands it and lives by it, something shifts. It's like a hidden switch flips inside the minds of women. They notice him differently. The strange part is that most men will go their entire lives missing this completely. Are you one of them? If you are still listening right now, chances are you don't want to be part of that majority. You want something more. Let me tell you a story that explains this clearly. It's not about tricks or flashy moves. It's about a deeper change, a quiet change, one that alters how you show up in the world and how others respond to you, especially women. There was a man named Marcus. He was an ordinary guy, nothing special on the surface. Like many men, he struggled constantly. He worried about what people thought of him. He chased approval everywhere, compliments, attention, validation. He thought those things would make him feel whole. But no matter how hard he tried, he felt invisible, especially when it came to women and social respect. One day, something clicked for Marcus. Not because of a motivational video or a clever self-help trick, he stumbled across an old idea, something ancient and tested: Stoicism. At first, he didn't get it. He wondered what a philosophy from long ago could possibly do for confidence or attraction today. But as he learned more, everything started to make sense in a way nothing else ever had. Stoicism teaches one core truth: control what you can control and let go of what you cannot. Sit with that for a second. Most men are controlled by their emotions. They react without thinking. They get angry, insecure, defensive. They say things they regret. They chase reactions. Women notice this immediately. They feel the instability. And let's be honest, it doesn't feel safe or attractive. The stoic man stands out because he reacts differently. He doesn't panic when things go wrong. He stays calm when others lose control. Picture a loud room filled with chaos, people arguing, emotions flying everywhere. And then there's you, calm, centered, unmoved, like a solid mountain in the middle of a storm. That quiet strength draws attention without effort. Women notice it instantly. Marcus Aurelius, one of the most respected Stoic thinkers, said that you have power over your mind, not outside events. When you truly understand that, strength follows. When you stop chasing approval and start living by your own values, something powerful happens. You stop needing attention, and paradoxically, people start giving it to you, not just women. Everyone responds to that grounded confidence. Most men never reach this point. They react to everything. A rude comment ruins their mood. A bad day controls their behavior. They carry frustration everywhere. A stoic man pauses instead. He asks himself a simple question: does this deserve my energy? Most of the time, the answer is no. That ability to choose calm over chaos is incredibly attractive and deeply respected. Stoicism is not about hiding emotions or pretending you don't feel anything. It's about mastering your reactions. It's knowing when to speak and when to stay silent, when to act and when to let go. It's becoming steady in a world that constantly tries to shake you. Women admire this because it signals safety, maturity, and leadership in uncertain situations. Marcus practiced stoicism every day. He focused on his actions, not opinions. He stopped chasing validation and started living for himself. Slowly, things changed. People listened when he spoke. Women noticed him without him trying. He didn't become louder or flashier. He became calmer. And that calm confidence did all the work for him. That's the paradox most men miss. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most men will hear this and do nothing. They'll feel inspired for a moment, then return to old habits. But if you're still here, you want more. You want to rise above the noise. You want respect, not attention. Start small. When life throws chaos at you, pause. Breathe. Ask yourself if it deserves your energy. Practice this daily. If this message hits something inside you, don't just watch it and move on. Live it, embody it. Every step you take toward self control is a step toward real confidence. Before you leave, like and subscribe. Not because I asked, but because this marks your decision to grow. This isn't just content, it's a signal.